Okay, this is from the chapter Polynomial, exercise 2.5, question number 5, factorize. It is asking to factorize. The expression is 4x square plus 9y plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. It is an expression you are asking to factorize. Factorize means just this expression turn in the form of product. That is factorization. So before this, you have to know a formula. Before factorization of this, you have to know a formula, that is this formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Here, if any expression is in this form, and to factorize it, you just turn in this form, turn in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Then your factorization will be over. I'll repeat. If any expression is in this form and asking to factorize, then you just turn in this form, because it is in the form of product, because it is a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. So similarly here this expression is exactly in that form. That's why we'll apply. What is the form? The form is like that: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So let me express this one in the form of a square. So let me write here, it will be 2x whole square. You just calculate 2 square is 4, x square is x square, 4x square. So it can be expressed as a square form. 9y square we can express 3y square. It is expressed in the form of b square. And 16z square we can write 4z whole square. And here this 12xy I'll create 2ab, 24yz I'll create 2bc, and 16xz I'll create 2ca. Just observe 2ab. So here I'll already confirm 2x is a, 3y is b. 2x 3y 2ab plus 2bc. Here b is 3y and c is 4z. But one thing you keep in mind, 24x yz, here 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, y into z, yz. But here is a problem. The problem is that after multiplying all this we get a positive value, but here it is negative value. So let me make this c value minus 4z, c value as minus 4z. So since I made the c value as minus 4z, but there is no problem to put minus here, because you just check it. Minus 4 square is 16 only. Minus 4 square is 16 only. 4 4 is 16, minus minus plus 16 only. Z square is z square. So if you put minus here, there is no change in value. Just check it. So the c value is considered as minus 4z. And here also the c value will be 2bc, c value will be minus 4z. And lastly, the last expression will be 2ca. 2ca. What is the c value? Minus 4z. What is the a value? 2x. 2x. So let us recheck it whether it is getting 16xz or not. 2 4 is 8, 8 2 is 16, z into s, zx, positive, negative, positive, it will be negative. So it is exactly minus 16xz. So 16xz is already expressed in the form of 2ca. Now again I'll tell you, it is exactly in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now to factorize it, what we'll do, I already told you, to factorize is directly turn in the form of a plus b plus c whole square by formula. A is here, a is 2x, b is 3y, and c value is minus 4z. A plus b plus c whole square. And to make it simple, we can write 2x plus 3y plus minus 4z whole square. It is in the form of product. So here the factorization is over. Similarly, the second question, number 5(2). And here the expression is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. So let us factorize it. First of all, let me express in the form of a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Yes. So here, to make it a square, these two I'll change it root 2x whole square. It is expressed in the form of a square. You just check it whether there is change in value or not. Root 2 square is 2 only. Square root and square cancel. Root 2 square is 2 only. X square is x square. So finally, root 2 whole x square, root 2x whole square is equal to 2x square. It is matching. So y square is clearly can be expressed as b square. 8z square I can write here 2 root 2 z square. Just take it, 2 square is 4. I'll show you separately. Two root 2 z whole square. 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, and z square is z square. So 4 to the 8 z square. That's why in place of 8z square we can write 2 root 2 z square. So instead of 8z square, I wrote here 2 root 2z whole square, and it is expressed in the form of c square. So what is the c value? 2 root 2z is the c value. Okay. Now what will come here? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. What is the a value? Root 2x. And what is the b value? Y is the b value. Y is the b value. A square, b square. Now let us recheck it. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 xy, xy. It is matching, but the problem is that here it gives a positive value, but here it is negative value. So let me change this a value as a negative, minus root 2x. So here also change it negative value. So let us easy any change in value. Go minus root 2 square. Root 2 square is 2, and minus, since minus is here, and square is there, minus minus is plus, so there is no change in value. There is no problem to put here a minus, so you just adjust it, this minus, and you check it now. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, x into y, xy, plus minus minus, so it has, there should be no change in value, it should be matching. And so the a value is minus root 2x. 2ab, now what will come? 2ab plus 2bc. 2bc, what is the b value? We already know y is the b value. bc, what is the c value here? 2 root 2z. 2 root 2z. 2bc plus 2ca. What is the c value? 2 root 2z. 2 root 2z. A value is minus root 2x. Now let us check it. 2 to the 4, and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. It is matching. X into z, xz, it is matching, and minus plus minus. Okay, done. Now it is exactly in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And to factorize it, you already know, you just apply the formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus, this is a, plus b plus, this is b, plus c value is 2 root 2 z, c whole square. So this is in the form of product, that means this into this. This square means this into this. It is in the form of product, so the factorization is over.